Introducing the epitome of relaxation and luxury, the Irvine Bay Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa. With a small deposit of £99 and 2 years finance at 0% APR available, the Irvine Bay Hot Tub offers unparalleled value for your investment. This spacious 6-seater hot tub boasts 5 comfortable seats and 1 luxurious lounger, providing ample space for you and your loved ones to unwind and rejuvenate. With a 13 AMP power supply, 40 invigorating jets, and 2 soothing fountains, the Irvine Bay Hot Tub delivers a truly indulgent hydrotherapy experience. Enhance your relaxation with 16 LED lights, creating a tranquil ambiance for your evening soak. And with a dual-speed WP 300 pump, 2 kilowatts heater, and 194 filter basket unit, the Irvine Bay Hot Tub ensures optimal performance and water clarity. But that's not all. Your purchase includes insulation to retain heat, free steps for easy access, an insulating cover for added protection, and complimentary delivery and installation, making your transition to luxury seamless. Experience the ultimate in relaxation and luxury with the Irvine Bay Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa. Contact us today to make every day a spa day.